There's number 8.
Ayaw.
Then on the shoot up.
We are here in Santa Rita
Long for the
Park.
rebound.
We are watching basketball with this cutie girl.
There's number 31.
Seryoso eh.
Ano,
Go
siya,
shoot up.
siya ay tag-score. Hi
8
guys!
seconds on the shoot up. Reset. There's a whistle. That's a seed ball. 13 seconds on the shoot up.
Oh.
Ah,
10 on the shoot up.
ito naman na.
Checks down to 5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. There's a whistle blow. And that's a foul with the jersey number 18. That's it. You're back to your t-shirt style. Jersey number 18. That's your third personal foul. That's a 3 shots.
Sorry, sa'yo naman
There's
na.
no good.
Nine months
Second
old.
goal, good.